boys and girls, welcome to music class. This is part 9 for keyboards reading music. Today we shall do two pieces, small pieces. One will show you about natural accents, okay, and the other one is going to help you in combining your fingers. It's like mixing up your fingers to play, so you'll get better control on your fingers in both your left hand and right hand. Okay, so without ado, let us get to a keyboard view, a keyboard view as you can say, and let us start these exercises. Okay, let's go. Okay, today's piece is called the windsock. Now you can observe here that the time signature is 3/4, which means 3 crotchet beats in a bar. Now we have a bar here, 1 bar, 2 bar between these two lines, 3 bar, 4 bar. You'll know these bars. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when you play music, I'm going to count 3, 4. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For each bar I'll count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now that on the first beat, which is 1, I will play it slightly louder because there's a natural tendency to play loud. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that 1 is called a natural accent where you tend to play loud. So same way when I'm playing also the keyboard or the piano, I will naturally play this loud. Okay? So let us read this piece for the first 2 bars. We start with the E, then a D and a C. That's E, D, C. And the next bar, the first beat, which is the natural accent 1. This first bar, the natural accent was this E. Next bar, natural accent is a D, which is second finger. Then it switches to the left hand, which is G and G. So it's E, D, C, D, G, G. Okay? So just see how I play these 2 bars with the accent E, D, C, D, G. You heard that extra loudness in the E and D? I'll play it again. E, D, C, D, G. Okay, now let us continue. 4th finger on F. It's my 4th finger right hand. F, E, D, C, C. Now continue. G with the 5th finger on the right hand. G, F, E, D, G, F, E, dotted minim. So dotted minim has 3 counts, so it will hold for the whole bar. So this note also the starting of the beat, starting of the bar rather. So this is a natural accent. I'll be playing this 1, 2, 3 with my left hand. This is C. So let us go slowly on this piece. I'll play slower and try to point if possible the note so you know where you're going. I'll sing it. E, D, C. So here we go. I'll do a full run through, a little faster with the accent. Okay, so you could hear the natural accents on the first beat for this whole piece. Okay, so this is what you're talking about in this piece. We're trying to learn about the natural accents. Now remember 3, 4. Natural accent is on the first beat. Similarly, with the 4/4 beat also, the natural accent also is on the first beat. Okay? 4/4 sometimes it's on the first and third, but first beat is always there generally. Okay, let's go to the next piece now. This is the finger juggling piece. Mr. Frog is full of hops. I hope you can see this well. Now here you can see this timing is 4/4. There are 4 crotchet beats in a bar, per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4 crotchets. 1, 2 plus 2 for a minim. Again becomes 4 crotchets, 4 crotchets. Okay, and likewise it continues. Now here from the first finger, I'll be my third finger, then fifth finger. Okay, so I'll be playing C, E, G, E, then the fourth finger on F. F, E, then E. So I'm juggling my fingers a bit. You can see C, E, take from the beginning. C, E, G, E, F, E, C. I'll be holding this for 2 counts. So I'll be counting 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the left hand also juggle. C, A, F, A. Okay, these are the notes. C, A, F, A, then G, E, C. Okay? So let me play the left hand. C, look over here. First finger is the thumb, third finger here, fifth finger, little finger. So C, A, F, A, G, E, C. Okay? So I'll play this full 4 bars. It's like a little bit of juggle for your fingers. It's good for practicing. Now remember, when you're playing, I want your fingers to be round. I don't want your fingers like this or like this. Okay, just be natural, like it's holding a ball in your hand. See my fingers? They're almost like a dent over here. Okay, so you have to keep it like a ball in your hand and hold it naturally. Okay, lift your fingers and strike. Take it from the beginning. C, E, G, E, F, E, left hand now. C, E, F, E, G, E, C. Continue. C, E, G, E, F, E, C, E, F, E, G, E, C. Okay, so I'll play a little faster. See how it juggles. I'll also try and get that accent like we talked about first beat. Okay, so that was the piece. Mr. Frog is full of hops. Practice nicely. Keep your hands in a nice position. Remember, round like you're holding a ball all the time. Okay, children. Till next time, see you practice these 2 pieces. I'll give photographs of these so you can print out the pages and work with it. Okay, bye, take care.